Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Most important questions related to vitamins. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin B2 deficiency causes riboflavinosis. Vitamin B2 deficiency causes by riboflavinosis. Vitamin B3 deficiency causes pellagra. Vitamin B3 deficiency causes pellagra. Vitamin B5 deficiency causes by paralysis. Vitamin B5 deficiency causes by paralysis. Vitamin B6 deficiency causes anemia. Vitamin B6 deficiency causes anemia. Vitamin B7 deficiency causes dermatitis and enteritis. Vitamin B7 deficiency causes dermatitis and enteritis. Vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B17 deficiency causes cancer. Vitamin C deficiency causes Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy and swelling of gums. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets and osteomalacia. Vitamin D deficiency causes by rickets. Vitamin E deficiency causes by fertility. Vitamin E main deficiency causes by fertility issues. Vitamin K deficiency causes non-clotting of blood. Vitamin K deficiency causes by non-clotting of blood. Chemical name of vitamin A, retinol. Chemical name of vitamin A, retinol. Chemical name of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Chemical name of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Chemical name of vitamin D, calciferol. Chemical name of vitamin D, calciferol. Chemical name of vitamin E, tocopherol. Chemical name of vitamin E, tocopherol. Chemical name of vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine. Chemical name of vitamin B1, thiamine. Chemical name of vitamin B9, folic acid. Vitamin D occurs naturally in fatty fish. Vitamin D naturally occurs in fatty fish and sunshine. Fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are C and B are water-soluble vitamins. Which vitamin is essential for red blood cells? Vitamin B9. Who is the father of vitamin? Rich source of vitamin B12? 40 cereal, milk and salmon is the rich source of vitamin B12. Thanks a lot for watching.